Hello, join me on this beautiful summer morning to enjoy a 10-minute full body flexibility routine. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my classes and want to support the channel. We begin in a standing position, our feet underneath our hips, shoulder distance apart. Relax your lower back, relax your neck and shoulders. Begin turning your body from side to side. Maintain a good posture. Your feet are firmly planted on the ground, your knees slightly bent, your hips relaxed, your lower back open, and your spine is nice and long. Then go ahead and shift the weight to activate the feet. Keep the movement light, staying soft and relaxed in the body. Slow it down and come back to center. From here, we're going to warm up the spine. Inhale as you open your chest. Exhale, contract the abdomen, chin to the chest. Inhale to open, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Keep the stretches light and pleasant, finding a way to link the breath to the movement. Inhale as we expand. Exhale as we fold. Feel your back and your spine being flexible and supple, promoting that hydration and lubrication to all the joints. And one more time, open up, exhale forward, and relax. Take a moment to adjust your feet if you need to, and continue with hip rotations. Keep the movement nice and round, awakening the body, awakening the muscles, and improving circulation through the hips. Go ahead and bring one hand in front of you, transitioning into the teacup exercise. Take a moment to find your rhythm, making the movement feel wholesome. Your entire body is moving as one, it's connected, the awareness is there, the sensitivity is there. Pay attention to how your body feels as you move. One more time. Well done. Then go ahead and change direction for the hip rotation, allowing us to set a rhythm and get comfortable as we transition into the teacups. Then bringing the hand with you. Continue to open through the joints, especially the shoulder, working your hips, and staying as relaxed and comfortable in your body as you can. Be gentle to yourself, especially if your shoulder is sensitive. We all have different range of motion. One more time. Come back to center. Allow your body to relax and take a moment to notice how you feel. We continue with full body stretches. Go ahead and extend your arms, reaching far into the distance through your fingertips. Then soften in the tension. Open your arms out to the side. Palms facing down. Go ahead and stretch as you lift your palms slightly above the shoulders. Release the effort. Flip your palms up and gently press upwards, lifting the sky with both hands. Come up on your toes to mobilize your entire body. Then let go of effort and relax completely. Then bring both hands to the waist, turn to the side, plucking a star from the sky. We're going to open through the chest and the shoulder as far as you feel comfortable. Return into center as we stretch upwards, opening down the side of the body. Secure your lower back and gently lean to the side, elongating and stretching the ribcage. Repeat on the other side. Releasing the effort, we get to relax on the way down. Then go ahead and follow. Grab yourself on one side and with a straight back and a long neck, turn to the back. Make sure your back is not hunched. It should stay nice, neutral, and flat. Go ahead and turn to look to the other side. Releasing both hands. Go ahead and repeat the movement on the other side. Turn to extend your palm, giving you a good stretch to the back of the shoulder. Moving across, begin to open up. Gently stretch upwards, lengthening through the side of the body. Into the side stretch. Make sure you can breathe normally. We don't want to restrict our breathing. Coming back to center, we get to relax. Just feel it, the neck, the shoulder, down your arm. Following the hand. Go ahead and stretch. Lengthening through the spine. Feel some of the muscles elongating. Repeat to the other side. Well done. Returning to center, releasing both hands, and coming back. Relax. From here, go ahead and take a nice full breath in, lightly stretching through the fingertips. Exhale as we settling down. Inhale as we gather the energy, opening up through the chest and the lungs. Exhale, soften down. One more time, breathing in. Allow the body to expand and then soften, promoting deep relaxation. Drawing the hands to your lower abdomen. Take a moment to center your mind, connect to your body, and feel present and aware. Take a couple of deep mindful breaths into your abdomen. and setting an intention for the day ahead to feel good physically, mentally, and emotionally. Release the hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. If you got value from this video, don't forget to check out my membership site for more guidance and exclusive Qigong tutorials. Enjoy the rest of your day and keep on practicing.